Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shuparna here. I hope you all guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about vitamin C range from Wow Skin Science. And in this range, I have got 4 products which completes my entire skincare regime. And this new skincare regime I'm following for past a week now. And I think I can talk about the results. So to know the actual results, I'm going to attach a before after photo at the end of the video. So make it sure that you're gonna watch the video till the end. So if you're watching me for a long time, then you must have known that I'm from oily acne prone skin family and I train to get breakouts a lot, and after curing them within 2 to 3 days they just gonna vanish. But I have to be in a toxic relationship with those pimple marks which are hard to leave me. So with this new skincare regime, I'm getting visible results. I'm seeing my acne marks are less visible. They are fading away slowly, gradually, not within a night. Like, it's not magic, guys. I'm going to talk about my skincare routine and I'm definitely gonna share a demo video with you guys. And without wasting more time, let's get started. So quickly, I have tied my hair in a bun and I'm going to give you guys a live demo that how it actually works. So the products are like this 4, like your entire skincare regime, like CTSM, cleanser, toner, serum and moisturizer. So the cleanser is this. This is the product looks like. This one is Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Face Wash, and this one is 100 ml product, and this one retails for rupees 249, and I guess this one is a decent price for this kind of a product which actually works on your skin. And what I do, I spray some water on my face and then take out some cleanser like this. This is in gel form, and rub them in between my fingers like this and then gently massage it all over my face. Can you guys see how it lathers up onto your skin? And this actually smells like lemons, like actual lemons, but you know, it won't gonna irritate your peace of mind because the smell of this product is so soothing. I prefer to massage it for 1 to 2 minutes. Let me just wash this off. Can you guys see how brightened my skin is looking like right this moment? How fresh it's looking. Yeah, this cleanser is totally my current favorite. So the next step is toner, and this is their Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner, and you do not need to buy a separate mist and toner for your skincare regime. You are getting 2-in-1 product in this. This one is a 200 ml product. This one retails for rupees 399, and the best thing about this toner cum mist is that they come in a spray form, so you do not need a separate cotton pad to apply toner all over your face. And it is mentioned that you should keep a distance while applying this toner, like this much, and then just spray all over your face. It smells so refreshing, like it has a fragrance, and this is so good and soothing. And after applying this toner all over my face, I just prefer to just, you know, press it so that it could get absorbed to my skin so nicely. Can you guys see how glowy my skin looks like right now? I really love this toner. So the next part is which we all prefer to skip, that is S in your CTSM Regine, that is a serum or serum, and this one is Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Serum. This is a 30 ml product which is retails for rupees 499, and this one has vitamin C up to 20%. I think this one is the first vitamin C serum in the market which has 20% of vitamin C into it, and this one is also infused with witch hazel and hyaluronic acid, and you guys know that hyaluronic acid are so good for your skin moisturization. So this one is so important step which we shouldn't miss. And as I from oily skin family, I do not like my serum to be greasy and oily, and for my surprise this one is non-sticky, non-greasy and non-oily serum. And this also comes with a protector like, and I really love that. So what I do, I just take 3 pumps of it into my fingers and gently rub it in between my fingers and just press it. It has a strong fragrance of orange and lemon, because Wow Skin Science products are plant based, so you're gonna smell them into their products. It won't gonna last for more than a couple of minutes, so it's okay, it's bearable. See how nicely it gets absorbed to my skin, like it not at all sticky or oily or anything. But can you guys see the shine which is providing? And the last step to lock all the moisture into my skin is a moisturizer, and this one is Wow Vitamin C Face Cream, and this one is a I guess 50 ml tub, and this one retails for rupees 600, 599. And so the best part about this moisturizer is you do not need to dig your finger into it to apply it all over your face. You just open it like this and just press the surface, and the ample amount of product gonna come out. So if you love to have long nails just like me, you're gonna love it. So I prefer to apply this on a dotting motion all over my face like this, then just massage it all over my face. It also has a lemon fragrance, and this one is soothing as well. It won't gonna disturb your peace of mind. This one is also non-sticky, non-greasy, and I really love that. Can you guys see my skin feels so moisturized and soft and supple? So this is the demo of my Wow Skin Science Vitamin C range, and they claim that this entire range is for all skin type, but I highly recommend this to those who are suffering from acne, pimples, blemishes, uneven skin tone or oily skin people. You guys should try this product out and you won't gonna regret buying them. A few of them might seem a bit pricey, but if you have an eye on Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, Flipkart, or also on their own website, you guys can get these products on huge discount. So this is it, and I'm wrapping up today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.